Hey guys, how are you all doing? This is my unboxing for Mary Poppins 50th Anniversary Edition on Blu-ray. I picked this up on Amazon, just released last week, I believe. But I'm sure I've seen this movie. I know I've seen pieces of it. I don't know if I've ever sat down and watched the whole thing. Maybe I have, but definitely a classic movie, and I just, at this point, I'm just getting almost anything Disney puts out on Blu-ray, so, yeah, I had to get it. The slipcover, I don't know how I feel about this artwork. Looks a little cheap to me, but the lettering here is embossed, feels kind of cool. There's Mary Poppins. I don't know, it looks too video game-ish for me. It looks kind of like an 8-bit video game, the lettering and these little colored things coming down. This comes with the Blu-ray, DVD, and digital copy. Blu-ray, DVD, and digital copy. Exciting extra content. All new Becoming Mr. Sherman. Enjoy a conversation between legendary composer Richard Sherman and actor Jason Schwartzman, who plays Richard Sherman in Saving Mr. Banks, about writing songs for Mary Poppins. All new Marioki sing-along, deleted song Chimpanzee, a magical musical reunion with Julie Andrews, Dick Van Dyke, and Richard Sherman. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, the making of Mary Poppins. Does that look restored to you? I don't know. I'm a little suspicious of that. Makes me wonder how good the transfer will be on this. Looks almost the same. It's rated G. Blu-ray is region free. And the runtime, $139 minutes, and I thought it would have the year here. It doesn't. Oh well, let's open it up. If you've seen this Blu-ray yet, let me know what you think of the transfer. And just let me know what you think of this movie. Do you see it as a classic? I'm not too familiar with it. It has one of those locks on the opening of the case, which I hate. Digital copy. And as is typical with Disney, no disc art. I have the DVD disc and the Blu-ray disc. That's my unboxing for Mary Poppins on Blu-ray. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Please like the video, comment, and subscribe. Take care. I'll see you guys later. Bye.